We're here at the car show, touring around, seeing who's got the baddest engine on the block. Never catch me running around those parts.
Excuse me?
Never catch me grabbing those engines, revving those up.
That's true. What do you want to ask me?
91209. 91209.
Take it easy.
Ooh wee! Now, is this the cherry berry finish? Do you know?
No idea.
Thank you. What? The guy is breaking the speed barrier.
I know nothing about this. I'm just waiting for my husband.
What kind of car you like?
I'm sorry?
The car you like?
I still didn't hear what you said.
The kind of car?
Oh, no, he's just looking around. He doesn't have a car here.
No, the car.
It's about around this time of year you come out to notice. Man, the engines are really what is going on.
Yeah, there's some really cool looking cars. It's fun to come out here and see what everybody else brings out to show everyone.
You said it all around before. Excuse me, sir. Sir?
Same way you would drive a normal car, I guess.
No, like how do I pick a car and drive it?
Oh, you don't? You just
No.
No, you can't.
Oh, bloody hell.
Just gonna look.
Wow. Now, was this car made back when they had to manually change the oil with the scrub machine? Was this car made back when they had to manually change the oil with the scrub machine?
It's stock, that's all I know. I don't understand what you're talking about.
So, this was made previous to the scrub machine?
This was made back in '79.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So it's before the scrub machine.
What machine?
When you had to manually change the oil with the scrub machine?
Oh yeah, you had to change these, take the plug out and drain the oil and change them.
So, I'm here with Jeff Gordon and Danica Patrick. How do you feel about the car show?
I like it a lot.
Yeah? What about you?
I love my daddy.
You wax this bad Christine often?
Yeah, pretty much every day.
Now, which wax do you prefer, the water-based or the distraughted?
I just like your good old Carnuba.
Yep.
But me and my dad actually run a detailing business, so pretty much I have to keep the car clean.
Right on, yep.
Yeah.
All right, well, thank you for your time.
Yep.
I'm sorry?
YouTube shit?
Hell yeah!
Hell, what's happening, man?
Yo.
This is an original 1967 four-door Chevelle. It's a rare car, man.
Oh, look at this girl. Oh, can I kiss it?
No, don't fuck.
You couldn't give me a big enough bag of marbles to get Connor one of these bad boys, right?
Yeah, really.
All right, you saw your first, folks. The car show. Watching people fly by and
Here live.
couldn't have said it better myself. What?